The warm weather is quickly approaching, and what does that mean? Ticks are going to be waking up from their winter slumber and looking for a meal. Don't let you and your family fall victim to Lyme disease or anaplasmosis. Let me tell you a little bit about the process. How do ticks get Lyme? Mice carry Lyme disease. Ticks feed on mice contracting Lyme. Ticks pass Lyme to you, your family, and your pets. Let's break the cycle with Damminix Tick Tubes. How does this work? You place the tick tube in a natural mice habitat. This could be wood piles, stone walls, high grass, dense garden beds, or wood lots. The mice then take this permethrin-soaked cotton from the tick tube back to their nest. Ticks are killed and mice are completely unharmed. When are tick tubes most effective? They're most effective during late spring and end of summer. The rest of the season the ticks are dormant or the adult ticks are not vulnerable to permethrin. How many tick tubes do I need? You can either purchase a 96 count, which is good for 2 acres, a 24 count, which is good for half an acre, or a 6 count, which is good for 1/8 of an acre. It is important to remember that tick tubes are not a one and done treatment, but rather should be a part of an annual preventative treatment plan. With commitment to this plan, you will see a reduction in tick population. For more information on this product, click on the link below or go to greatgardensupply.com.